Understanding thoughtful gesture. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and heartwarming phrase in the English language: thoughtful gesture. Understanding this phrase not only helps us communicate more effectively but also enriches our interpersonal relationships. So, let's explore what makes a gesture thoughtful and why it matters. Thoughtful gesture is a phrase composed of two words, each carrying significant meaning. Thoughtful refers to something done with care, consideration, and attention to detail. It's about being mindful of others' feelings and needs. On the other hand, gesture means an action taken to communicate something or show a feeling. When we combine these words, we get a powerful concept that's all about showing care and consideration for others in a meaningful way. Thoughtful gestures can be as simple or as elaborate as you like, but the key is that they are done with genuine care and consideration for the other person. Here are a few examples. Writing a personal note to someone who's going through a tough time, showing that you're there for them. Bringing a friend's favorite snack when they're studying for exams, as a way to boost their mood and energy. Offering your seat on public transport to someone who might need it more than you do. Remembering someone's birthday and sending them a heartfelt message or a small gift. Each of these actions may seem small, but they can have a big impact on making someone feel valued and cared for. Thoughtful gestures are important because they strengthen bonds between people, spread kindness, and create positive environments. They show that we are paying attention to the needs and feelings of those around us, and we're willing to make an effort to contribute positively to their day. In a world that can sometimes feel disconnected, these gestures remind us of the value of human connection and empathy. We hope this video has inspired you to incorporate more thoughtful gestures into your daily life. Remember, it's not about the grandeur of the gesture but the sincerity and consideration behind it. Whether it's a simple smile, a kind word, or a small act of kindness, these gestures can make a world of difference to someone. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Keep spreading kindness.